first posture in the balancing series of the 26 and 2 hot yoga series. Standing head to knee is a combination of building your strength, flexibility, and your balance. Take the posture step by step. I'll be going through that step-by-step instruction along with some modifications to the posture as well. All right, thanks for watching. Standing head to knee. You start with your feet together, the toes, heels touching, contract the thighs, relax the shoulders, and take a deep breath. You start by shifting weight to the left foot. You shift the weight to the left foot, getting the weight there, but you shift the weight to your big toe. Bring the right thigh up, thigh parallel with the floor, and flex your foot. This is the beginning part of the posture. The standing leg is your foundation. It starts here. You keep this thigh contracted. When you contract a thigh, you lift it and you squeeze it. So if that you can see when you contract the thighs, they move up. You're contracting the thighs, you lift them, squeeze them in, and hold them there. So you contract that standing thigh, stabilizing that leg. That's the posture where it begins. If you stay right here, if this is that challenge, just balancing on one leg the entire time, then you work on that. As you progress forward, you'll begin to work on the grip. You lengthen out of your hips, suck in your belly. Your core, your lower belly, you draw it in and up and begin to round down. You reach down for the foot until you can grip underneath your foot. So again, it's step by step. Step by step, maybe this is your posture for a while. You reach further down until eventually you can grip underneath your foot. The grip is a 10-finger interlocked grip underneath the ball of the foot. So it's not gripping the top of the foot. You try to keep thumbs underneath as well. Inhale, breathing, the right leg heel can begin to kick out. So maybe it's little by little, you start kicking your heel out. Kicking that heel out until that leg is straight, parallel with the floor. Once you get both legs straight, the elbows can begin down. Elbows go below calf. You start to tuck of the chin, keeping both legs straight, kicking heel out, belly in, or head to knee. Inhale, look up, arms straight. Release your foot and take a deep breath. Then we do the other side, shifting weight to that right foot planted down, solid. Again, weight to that big toe. Left knee up, thigh parallel. So watch from sinking back. The weight is forward to your big toe. Keeping the weight forward, almost as if your heel will come off the ground, but not quite. That's going to activate muscles in your foot and in your calf. You're stabilizing this whole leg. Keep it strong. Plant that foot down as you grow out of hips. Suck belly in and up, and round down. You're reaching for the foot. Again, step by step. You're building the balance and the strength of that standing leg and flexibility. You're opening the back of that leg up. Stay with the breath. Once you do grip, it's an all 10-finger grip. When you get that grip, you interlace your fingers together, but then you squeeze those fingers together. When you squeeze your fingers together, they're less likely to slip apart. If you just interlace and you don't activate, they'll more likely you'll lose your grip. So you're trying to work that grip strength, squeezing the grip together. Keep that weight forward to your big toe. You want to keep your ankle, knee, hips stacked in alignment. Kick your leg out. You want that leg parallel with the floor, flexing the foot back, then elbows. Elbows go below, you can tuck with the chin. Coming out the way you went in, feet together, take a deep breath. So again, you take that posture step by step. Build the strength, build the balance, and build the flexibility. Some modifications for that pose is, again, you just stay this balancing of one leg. Maybe you start by tippy-toeing the leg you're bringing up, just tippy-toeing it. Maybe you lift it up slightly, lifting it till you get that thigh parallel. Another modification is when you're going through the grip, you can bring that leg up higher. This is if you can grip that shin. Just watch from pulling it into the hip too much. You want to start to use the thigh muscle, still balancing that one leg. Maybe eventually you're able to grip underneath, but the leg is higher, and over time you work down lower. But make sure belly in. Your core belly is always drawing in to protect that lower spine. Same thing when you go to kick out, little by little. Maybe you kick that heel just slightly. So it's little steps at a time. You can kick your heel slightly, and maybe this is where you kick out. Standing leg does not bend. So if you go for this grip, you have to bend this leg. Step back. You want this standing leg to stay contracted and strong and supporting the body. So again, it's step by step. So if that knee bends, step back. Focus that standing leg first, and you build upon your standing leg. Once you do both sides, there's an optional back bend there. Lifting your chest up, hips forward and breathe. Again, you take it at your pace, step by step. Stay with your breath. Be gentle on the body, so there should never be any pain. There should not be any pain in the back after doing this posture. There should not be any pain in your knees. So step by step. If you have any questions, feel free to give us an email, reach out to check out our website, hotspotyoga.sta.com. Thanks for watching. Namaste.